honor for me to pledge for this beautiful cause. And I will take this stage for one more important message. The time has come again where the definition of discrimination and racism will be redefined. And all of us need to work together to really make sure that all the ethnic communities, whatever work they have done in the UK, that has been safeguarded and it is respected, and we need to deny this humiliation which we are facing at the moment. Thank you.
Surrounding, how much are you donating, by the way? After pledge, how much are you donating? What's your pledge?
We started off with 10,000, but you put me on 25,000.
25,000! 25,000! For Mr. Farhan Farhani, well done. We're proud of you. Thank you very much.
While the target is going down